Good evening, everybody. It's your girl Z here coming to bring you some more information and value that you can use. But before we get started, be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and also hit the bell beside it so you get notified when I post new videos. All right, so just recently I did a review of the $25 one-up system and showed the upgrades that have been added in for the year 2020. So now I want to go into more depth about the compensation plan. Very important when you're joining any kind of business opportunity. You want to be able to understand what the product has to offer as well as the compensation plan. This is going to help you so that you know what to expect, but it's also going to be able to help you to communicate that to your team so there's no surprises. So I'm just going to kind of recap what we discussed before, what you get at the gold level. First and foremost, there is a one-time $10 hosting fee, and that's going to include your replicated marketing system, your downline builder, capture pages, hosting, all data, basically names, data, email, and phone numbers from your leads. So that's a one-time fee of $10, which is very reasonable and crazy value in that to start out with. The gold level starts at $25. So if you're coming in at the gold level, expect to pay $35. That's going to include your $10 hosting fee. What you're going to get with that is 100 plus pre-written ads, scripts, and follow-up messages, Facebook group cheat sheet. That's a tongue twister. Mindset training videos, step-by-step system tutorials. Then if you move on up to the platinum level, you're going to get, that's a $100 package. That includes Facebook marketing video course, YouTube, Instagram, the ability to add up to 12 banner ads to promote your downline, the ability to add your own third-party autoresponder, which is very important if you choose to utilize email campaigns to reach out to your leads, and the ability to add one video to brand yourself to your downline. Now, also, if you come in at the platinum level $100 package, I'm with a system called 30 Days to $1,000 Challenge. And what it is we're utilizing this system to leverage your earning while you learn. So it's great for newbies. The total cost of it would be the cost for the system, which is $25 plus $100 plus your one-time $10 fee, total of $135, and that's one time. You're going to get everything you see here in the back office, but you'll also get access to 2 six-figure mentors. We have live weekly trainings every Saturday. We also have 2 Facebook groups, a Facebook Messenger chat, and you'll have a huge community support. You're going to learn things like video marketing. You're going to learn story marketing. You're going to learn how to brand yourself. It's just absolutely amazing. So if that's something that you're interested in, I'll be sure to have my contact information down in the description, as well as the link to get started with this, and we'll get you on your way with that. Also know that any of the trainings that you receive, this can be used for any online marketing business. So it's amazing. Absolutely amazing value in this. And it's one-time fee, so it's no monthly fees. You also have the ability to upgrade to the diamond level, which is $250, the enterprise level at $500. Each time you upgrade, you get more and more value, as you can see. And then our final level is the elite value, which is $1,000. So I want to get into the compensation plan so that you know how you'll actually be paid. The $25 one-up system is a pass-up system. So the way that it is, they're using the reverse one-up comp plan. So your very first sale, you're going to make 100% direct payment on your sale. That's going to allow you to make the money back that you paid to purchase your product on your very first sale. So that's very powerful. Then you're going to utilize the leverage of the pass-up on the second sale to accelerate your cash machine. So say, for instance, you came in at the $25 level and you brought someone else in at $25, you're going to receive that immediate commission. And then if that person brought someone in at $25, or excuse me, if you brought someone else in, a second person in at $25, that will pass up to your upline. Now keep in mind, that's the same thing for you. So if your first person brings someone in, they're going to get their first commission 100%. But the second person that they bring in, that commission passes up to you. So it will behoove you to grow your team as well as encourage your team to also grow, but know that they're going to have to pass up their second sale, depending on whatever level that they're on. So very, very important to always understand your comp plan. $25 one up, I'm going to say it again, is a reverse one-up plan. So you're going to make 100% direct payment on the sales. which means you get your product purchase back on your very first sale. Then you'll use the leverage of the pass up on your second sale to accelerate your cash machine. So once your second sale comes in and you pass that up, your third sale to infinity. So everything past your third sale and pass goes directly to you. So you want to duplicate that with your team and you'll all run to the bank. So, I mean, it's basically just that simple, but I definitely want to do a video about that for anybody that was thinking about joining, so you understand how the compensation plan works. And if you have any questions, like I said, I'll have my contact information down in the description as well as my link if you would like to get started. Remember, if you come in at the platinum level, the $100 level, which ends up being a total of, got to get in gold first, then platinum, and pay your $10 hosting fee, a total of $135, you will be eligible for our 30 days to $1,000 challenge, which is going to give you crazy, crazy, crazy amount of training on top of what you already get. Lots of copy paste ads and things like that, lots of social media training, YouTube training, as well as access to 2 6-figure mentors, live trainings on Saturdays, and lots of groups with different courses in the back. All right, hope that explained everything. If you have any questions, like I said, contact information is in the bottom. Link is in the description. And if you haven't done so already, please be sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. And that is all for this video, guys. Till the next time, peace.